There's one thing about the Mail app on Mac. It starts small and then ends up eating gigabytes of storage over time. And if you're not even using it, you might be wondering, can I just delete it? Apple Mail is one of those system-protected apps that comes bundled with macOS. That means you can just drag it to the trash. So how can you remove it? And is there a way to free up that storage without actually deleting the app? Stick around till the end, we'll go step by step and I'll show you a fix that can solve 90% of those storage issues. Before we jump in, give this video a thumbs up so you can see more helpful content like this. Most people want to disable or remove the Mail app because it takes too much storage space. If you've used the Storage tab in About This Mac to manage storage, you may have noticed Mail taking up several gigabytes of precious SSD storage. To check your Mac storage, go to Settings, General, and then Storage. The Mail app quietly piles up gigabytes of attachments over time, PDFs, images, signatures, you name it. And some users even report Mail taking up more than 3 gigabytes of space on their Macs. Deleting it takes a few extra steps, but here's how you can get it done. As I said, Mail is part of macOS core apps, protected by System Integrity Protection, or SIP. To delete Mail, we'll need to disable SIP first, then use Terminal to remove the app. First, restart your Mac in recovery mode, holding Command-R during startup. And quick note, restarting it in recovery mode works a bit differently on Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. Open Terminal in recovery mode and type CSRUtil disable. Press Enter and restart your Mac normally. Now that SIP is off, we can access system apps. Open Terminal from Utilities and type sudo space rm space -rf space /applications/mail.app. Hit return and don't forget to re-enable SIP to protect your system. So restart in recovery again, open Terminal and type CSRUtil enable. Restart your Mac and that's it. The Mail app should be deleted. But, and this is really important, once it's gone, you can't easily restore the app. You'll need to reinstall macOS to use the Mail app again. So before going nuclear, I'd consider a much simpler way to reclaim that space. If your goal is to free up space, it's not the Mail app itself that's bloating your storage, it's the attachments. I've been using CleanMyMac to clean up a bunch of unnecessary files on my Mac, and it has a handy button to get rid of these Mail attachments for good. Its cleanup tool scans your Mac and identifies attachments in Mail and other email clients, so you can delete all attachments with one click. PDFs, images, documents, and things like company logos embedded in signatures. All of its cleanup tools are absolutely free to try, so if you want to just fix this fast without jumping through hoops, definitely give it a shot. So, should you delete Mail? Technically, you can, but it's complicated, risky, and usually not worth it. If you really want a faster, lighter Mac, start by cleaning up attachments and junk instead. So, if this saved you a few headaches and a bunch of Google searches, leave me a comment and let me know if it helped. I'll see you in the next one.